HSU Research is a consumer loudspeaker manufacturer based in Anaheim, California. About the company. HSU Research Inc. was created in 1991. Their initial focus was on subwoofers. The founder, Dr. Sir HSU, received his Ph.D. in civil engineering from MIT. Dr. HSU also holds a patent for a high-speed switching semiconductor background. According to HSU's website, the first product used sonotube, a product used to make forms for concrete, was 7 feet tall, and produced bass down to 16 Hz. The next line of subwoofers, the VTF series, could be tuned for either bass extension or output. In 2003, a cheaper product line aimed at the mass market was created called the STF series. The patented ventriloquist 6-channel speaker system also came to market, garnering many rave reviews, including an Editor's Choice Award from CNET and making the cover of Ensemble Sound magazine. In 2006, Dr. HSU applied for patents on several new technologies, including the turbocharger, mid-bass module, positional optimization of low-frequency reproduction, and a way of bending a port tube so it will perform as well as a straight port. The VTF-3HO was introduced this year, utilizing the turbocharger and bent port patent filing, using a 12-inch woofer with XBL² linear motor technology licensed from Adire Audio. The VTF-3HO can achieve high levels of low distortion bass reproduction. In 2007, other implementations of patent-pending technologies came to fruition in the form of the MBM12 mid-bass module, the VTF MK3 line, and the HB1 horn bookshelf, HC1 horn center, horn-based loudspeakers. The HB1 two-way loudspeaker uses a constant directivity horn, which provides a uniform off-axis response, offering accurate imaging and soundstage reproduction. In 2008, a 15-inch subwoofer, the ULS-15, was introduced. The ULS-15 woofer features the XBL motor design from Acoustic Development International with linear large signal BL within plus or minus 20 mm. The ULS-15 also features robust 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity. HSU Research sells their products exclusively via their website. In 2010, the VTF-15H was finally introduced to the market. Their first ported 15 inches subwoofer that provides extension, flat, down to 16 Hz. The VTF-15H was also the first to feature the new integrated flare triangular port design, allowing HSU to utilize the maximum port size for the subwoofer and to not be limited by the size of conventional rounded ports. In 2014, the VTF-15H MK2 was introduced, along with the VTF-3 MK5HP, boasting a newly designed 15 inches driver with a 600 WRMS amplifier that pushed performance and value to new heights. Products: 1991 HRS-W10, HRS-W12, 1994 to 12 volts, 1994 to 10 volts, 1995 HRS-W12VA, 1996 HRS-W210, 1996 TN825, 1998 TN1220HO, TN1225HO, 1999 VTF2, 2002 VTF3, 2003 STF1, STF2, STF3, VTF2 MK2, VTF3 MK2, VT12, 2006 VTF3HO, HB1, HC1, 2007 VTF1, VTF2 MK3, VTF3 MK3, MBM12, 2008 ULS 15, HB1 MK2, HC1 MK2, 2010 VTF15H, 2011 VTF3 MK4, 2014 VTF15H MK2, VTF3 MK5HP, VT12 speaker system receives Editor's Choice Award from CNET. Dr. HSU. Special guest forum thread on AVS forum. Dr. HSU video interview by Dr. John Johnson of Secrets of Home Theatre and High Fidelity. Dr. HSU interview by 1388. Com of Singapore. Dr. HSU interview by Good Sound. Outlaw Audio. Dr. HSU was consulted to design Outlaw Audio subwoofers. Dr. HSU was the featured guest for the July 2008 Boston and Audio Society meeting.